It's gonna start the day for all the work I got to do. Yeah, what's up, my people? Bright and shining in the morning. You know what I want to do in the morning. I'm ready for a C5. Cook some cornmeal, porridge, some black porridge. Got that. Got some tumeric here. Going on the porridge. Black up there. Got that. Blazing. That is it. Log in, subscribe to the channel. Some platinum porridge. Tumeric here. Fire already blazing. Got that. Ready for the porridge. Yep. Yummy. Yeah, I got one plant here. I got some cornmeal. Set on the water on the fire. Blazing. Get them things clean up now. Scrape off them tumeric. Cut up this plantain, blend it out. Get the porridge on the fire. The fire is burning. Remember, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend. Okay. Okay, guys. Fully scrape off the tumeric. Plantain already peel. Yeah, we got one coconut here. Finish shell it out and blend it up. So we have some coconut milk and the cornmeal, tumeric, plantain porridge. It's gonna be yummy. These are the tumeric. These are when they clean off. These are some ginger family. Look at turmeric over here. Yeah, these are the turmeric tree. Ginger family. Look at that. Yeah, it's gonna be yummy in the porridge. Subscribe to the channel. Look at the fire. The fire is blazing and ready, my people. I finished cut out this coconut from out the shell. Get the thing ready. Because I'm so hungry in the morning and eat some porridge. Remember, like up the video, comment, tell a friend, subscribe to the channel. The bees. Coconut fully cut up. Cut out the coconut first, cause one blender, you know, and then we're gonna blend up this. First we're gonna get the milk out of this. Fully blend up. Let's throw it off, my people. Got that rich my people. Yo, that is it. That good for you, you know. Real natural coconut milk, look on it. Fresh. That's the way I like it, my people. And you will like it too. The turmeric and plantain finely diced and chopped. Let's blend it with some of this coconut milk. Yeah, beautiful. So we'll get this blend up. Starting to change color. Yeah, cornmeal already soaking over here. Yeah, share the video, guys. Tell a friend. Okay, fully blend up, my people. Let it on the fire now. Let it simmer, guys. Let it got the color. So beautiful. Share the video. Tell a friend. Especially the guys in the colder part of the climate. Polar area in the United States, Europe. Share the video to those guys, okay? It's gonna be so yummy. Like up the video, guys. Take a check now. Look at that. Bubbling. Plantain turmeric bubbling. Ready for the cornmeal. Plantain and turmeric already boiled. Rich. Yummy. Add the cornmeal now. Get it all out. Eat a little stirred out. People, look at that, people. It's gonna be so yummy. Yeah, look at that. Get it stirred up. Look at the texture, people. Rich. Look at that, guys. Like up the video. Can you smell that? Smells so delicious. Yummy. I'm gonna feel so energized today. Oh, like up the video. Share and tell a friend. Don't afraid to comment. Comment. Okay, guys. It's stirred up. Yeah, I make that go and simmer about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we sweeten it and have a blast. It's about that time now. Yep. Feel it's ready now. Let's take a check. Look at that. Bubbling. Yes, my people. Look at that. Ready. Yummy. So yummy. Ready, my people. Ready. Yeah. Breakfast setting, my people. It's gonna start the day for all the work I got to do. Look at that. Rich. Gonna get it sweet now, my people. Have a little taste. Just tune in. Okay? So yummy, look at that. Rich, my people. That is it. Time to share it now, guys. Sweet and taste. Okay. Right here we got some brown sugar to sweeten to taste with some milk powder. That is it, my people. Beautiful. Rich, my people. Yummy. Sweet now. Start. You see that? Yummy. You like up a video, my people. Tell a friend to tell a friend. It's gonna be yummy. And I'm not normal when I drink this porridge for the day, my people. Full of energize. Cut it. Not normal, my people. Or joke. Subscribe to the channel. Yes, my people. Porridge was so delicious. Look at it. We didn't even get to show you guys. Keep on digging. To reach the spot. Yeah, my people. Shell it done. Subscribe to the channel until next time, okay? Yeah man, look at it, plate empty. Like up the video, comment, that is it.